When I first arrived at Aska Lara Resort and Spa, I immediately knew I was in for a treat. This all-inclusive resort in Antalya, Turkey, blends luxury, relaxation, and family fun in a way that few hotels can match. The hotel itself is modern, stylish, and designed for comfort. My room was spacious, with a large balcony offering beautiful views of the resort. The bed was incredibly comfortable, and the amenities, flat-screen TV, minibar, and a well-equipped bathroom made my stay even more enjoyable. One of the biggest highlights of Aska Lara Resort is the Wet n Wild water park, just a short shuttle ride away. If you love water slides, lazy rivers, and wave pools, you will absolutely love this place. It's perfect for families, but even as an adult, I had a blast. The private beach area was another fantastic feature. Golden sand, crystal clear water, and plenty of sunbeds to relax under the Mediterranean sun. The food at Aska Lara exceeded my expectations. The buffet restaurant served an incredible variety of Turkish and international dishes, with fresh seafood, grilled meats, and delicious desserts. There are also several a la carte restaurants offering different cuisines, from Italian to Asian, each with a unique atmosphere and top-tier service. Speaking of service, the staff here were friendly, professional, and always ready to help. Whether it was the front desk, the bartenders at the poolside bar, or the entertainment team, everyone made sure I had a great time. If you enjoy evening entertainment, the resort has live shows, music performances, and themed nights that create a lively and fun atmosphere. Plus, the spa and wellness center is a must visit. I treated myself to a Turkish hammam experience, and it was pure relaxation. Overall, Aska Lara Resort and Spa is a fantastic destination for families, couples, and solo travelers. Whether you want adrenaline-pumping water slides, peaceful moments by the beach, or delicious food, this resort has it all. Would I come back? Absolutely.